Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Sabrina Apigo, Filipina. My religion is Catholic. I am single. I have two brothers, and I am the third in the family. I am a high school graduate. I have worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. I clean and sanitize the house. I mop the stairs and the floor, sweeping, vacuuming, and dusting, removing trashes, washing dishes, washing and ironing clothes, plan and cook foods for my employer, and also marketing. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and how to speak Mandarin language. I love taking care of children. I take them about every day. I assist them to change their clothes. I cook and prepare them nutritious foods and snacks. Bring them to school. Um, I, I help them with their assignment and love them as my family. Sir, Madam, I'm honest, I'm patient, I'm hardworking person. Please hire me as your householder worker, and I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.